Dear students, now let us talk about activity-based costing because we have completed the overview about CRM, how does it work, and what you look for in a CRM. That was about the influencing of order and execution of that order. Activity-based costing actually becomes very important for logistical activity. Logistical renaissance की जब हमने बात की थी तो we talked about कि it wasn't possible before कि आप allocate कर सकें logistical activity के ऊपर financial impact, क्योंकि managerial और cost accounting they use approximate methods for doing it, but they are more appropriate when you can assign the output to some resource. That means एक ये resource है, explicitly ये इसकी output है, then it would be a highly correlated scenario. Cost accounting इस पे बड़ा efficiently work करती है. But ABC accounting technique, actually it works when such high correlation between the output and the resource is not possible. इसको explain करते हैं. पहले let us first of all see that what is ABC costing or activity-based costing means. ABC measures the cost and performance of activities, resources and cost objects. तीन चीजें हैं. Activities, resources and cost objects. So for resources, you will actually allocate the activity, and for that activity, you will assign the cost object. Resources are assigned the activities, then activities are assigned to cost objects based on their use. और ये तब appropriate है when traditional cost accounting is not suited. Why it is not suited? Because traditionally cost accounting methods are well suited when an output and an allocation process are highly correlated. So if it is not correlated, I cannot assign a resource some output, then I have to come for ABC, activity based costing की तरफ मुझे आना पड़ेगा, जो कि logistical activity में it becomes more appropriate, क्योंकि logistical activity में there are so many intermediate activities कि वहां पर it becomes impossible to apportion the cost. Cost को apportion करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, तो वहां पर activity based costing would be more appropriate. So traditional cost accounting is not very effective in situations where the output is not correlated with the allocation base. Let us see an example. ये एक example इसमें check कर लें. Traditional accounting would be revolving around resources, the cost center, the allocation bases and the product. यानी आपके पास एक allocation base है on the basis of which resource को cost allocate कर दी जाएगी और that would be used for the accounting purpose. But in activity based costing, resources will be assigned the activities and those activities will be assigned the cost drivers. So these cost drivers would be based on product, customer, market, or a business. So if you see the characteristics of activity-based costing would be based on some cross-functional scenario. Different functions एक organization में जो perform हो रहे हैं, उनमें cross-functionally भी आप activity-based accounting को implement कर सकते हैं, and this will give you the actual cost. Your accounting cost will actually be the actual cost. So drivers actually trigger resource consumption. Resources कहाँ पर use हो रहे हैं intermediate stages पे और किस activity के लिए required हैं, it would be based on the drivers. The drivers would be the product, customer, market or the business. So traditional customer profitability analysis would start with the gross sales, less returns and allowances, and subtract the cost of goods sold to arrive at the gross margin figure. Overall आप अगर देखें तो एक्टिविटी बेस्ड कॉस्टिंग जो है वो आपके पास हर एक्टिविटी को आप रिसोर्स असाइन करेंगे. इफ दैट रिसोर्स इज यूज्ड बाय दैट एक्टिविटी यू विल असाइन द कॉस्ट टू इट. आप उसे एक कॉस्ट असाइन कर देंगे. ट्रेडिशनली जो आपके पास मेथड्स मौजूद हैं उसमें ओवरऑल हाउ वुड यू कम टू द ग्रॉस मार्जिन? दैट वुड बी द ग्रॉस सेल्स. आप ग्रॉस सेल्स में से अपने रिटर्न्स को और अलाउंसेस को, डिस्काउंट्स वगैरह को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. Then you subtract the cost of goods sold to arrive at the gross margin figure. Is it fine? Does it looks right for logistical activity as well? हमने तो पहले CRM में define कर दिया कि कस्टमर शुड बी सेगमेंटेड. सो फॉर एवरी सेगमेंट ऑफ कस्टमर देयर शुड बी डिफरेंट ग्रॉस मार्जिन्स जो आपको कैलकुलेट करने पड़ेंगे. ओवरऑल फिगर इट लुक्स गुड, बट इट डजंट शो यू कि आप किस कस्टमर सेगमेंट के ऊपर ज्यादा टारगेट कर रहे हैं. उसके लिए इट शुड बी सेपरेट. Although this number might provide a general guideline for the profitability of a customer, but it fails in capturing the real cost of serving a customer. आपने किस टाइप ऑफ कस्टमर, प्रोटेक्ट जोन, डेंजर जोन, कॉस्ट इंजीनियर्स और बिल्ड जोन, किस पर अपना स्ट्रेस ज्यादा किया है, वो इस ग्रॉस मार्जिन की फिगर से, इस सिंपल अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस से नहीं पता चलेगा. यू हैव टू अपोर्शन इट. आपको ABC यानी सेगमेंट्स के हिसाब से उसको डिफरेंट करना पड़ेगा.